Hey, what is up guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to win any bid on eBay for literally any item that you want, as long as it's an auction. So first thing first, you're going to want to open up eBay and go to your offer or your auction, and you want to see what the time is on it, and you want to wait until it's literally like right before it ends. Second thing you want to do is make sure you know a good price you actually want the item for. So let's say I want an iPhone 8 and it's going for like, you know, $0 right now, but there's 10 minutes left. My max bid for an iPhone 8 would probably be around like $100. Alright, even though there's 8 minutes left to the item, I just kind of want to show you guys what I mean when I say place a bid and it will be your max bid. So this item's current bid is $340 because it's literally has 256 gigabytes. So this item is worth around $400 in resale value, but I will only be, my max bid was honestly gonna be 320 bucks. What I was trying to explain is that if you like this iPhone and you have a set price, so let's say 400 is your max price that you want to do, you put 400, you place bid at the last couple of seconds. Now basically what this does is it does not bid $400. It will bid this price and then it will show that price on the screen for others, and they say if they see your price is winning, so this person is, maybe they put in $400 but it just shows this, then I would be pressing 350 and then it's just gonna turn red right away because they're literally above me. So someone has probably put in a pretty decent amount, so 260, press on that and it turns red automatically. So when it turns red automatically, this just means that someone used this option and put maybe 300, but it's only going up by like 5s or something. So I'll press this again, it's red again. So this person has went above 275 for this iPhone XS Max. So he's the highest bidder right now to this item right here. Okay, now let's say that you come in right here and there's only you know 20 seconds left. Okay, 20 seconds left. Basically you can put in your bid for this item that it currently shows for, you know, 345. So this item right here, he put in his bid for 345, but then you put in a bid for, let's say, 400. All this bid will do is basically go above this bid of 345 by how many the seller did. So it's by $5 here, for example. It'll just go straight to this. If it goes above this, it'll go here. So basically your 400 bid that you enter here will just become 350 in this example until the time runs out, and you'll get the item for 350. You won't be getting the item for 400. That's just your basically cap for max bidding. So it's kind of automatic if you think about it, which is very cool that eBay has that system. But yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. I hope this perfect drawing helped you guys. And this is really useful for reselling phones as well, which I will be including or not having a video on soon for you guys. So I'll see you guys later.